Geofences keep the drone flying in a safe zone around the dock, while no-fly zones are areas where the drone absolutely cannot go, such as chimneys, above sensitive equipment, or any risky area. For automated flights, the dock will respect geofences automatically. But for manual flights and RTH situations, you must save the geofences to the drone. Here you see how to go to the telemetry tab and enable the geofences sync. Be aware that it can take some time for the geofences to sync. Give it up to a minute. Now let's see how it works. Here you see the drone performing a mission. After we initiate return to home, it encounters a no-fly zone which it is never allowed to enter, finds a safe route around it, and continues back to the dock. Geofences are even enforced when flying manually. As you can see, there's an additional safety margin built in so that the drone can never get too close to the fence, whether in manual or automatic flight.